Okay, so the truck is starting. As I just explained, it doesn't need to go too fast. Maximum 15 kilometers an hour. No need to brake, no need to stop. Just drive gently over the road. As you can see from the screen, it takes a few seconds for the data to be processed by the system. And now you can see the setup of the vehicle, which is appearing, so it's quite quick. You don't see it very well from here, but inside of each tire you have the pressure measurement, and above each tire you have the remaining tread depth. And as you can see also from the unit, there's a a red light flashing, which indicates that there is something wrong with one of the tires. We'll see that in a second. So now we'll invite you to turn around and look at the screen.